What's that I can say? Crocodile tears. Eh? You stole my designer dress worth $20,000. My sandals. Hey! My expensive bag. You are a thief. You are a thief. Ah! Will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut up that your dirty, stinking mouth? Give me 3 reasons why I shouldn't throw your ass right now in jail.
Madam, the devil walk.
Ah,
the devil.
You are the devil. The devil is inside of you. What was the one thing I told you about when you started working here that I did not like?
You know, stealing.
What have you done?
I borrowed that to people and take this in my hand.
Ah, even worse. I feel like designing your face right now with slaps. You have the audacity.
Now, as you come in, Naija, they come. Bye.
Ah, can you say that you are an idiot?
Yes.
Okay, gents.
Ah.
This was your plan all along. I say I'm looking for a housekeeper. You brought me a thief.
Thief, okay. Akanchawa. Abaye fe baje ni won lo jale.
Madam, beg, Madam Lilian.
If I just decide to just pounce on you this minute, see this idiot.
Akanchawa, won lo jale. You are thief. Madam.
I beg.
Okay, gents.
Madam.
Eba mi nílé o. Normally, ori mi o de really pe be yen no.
Yes,
as I'm looking at you, if I close my eye and open my eye and you are both still in this my house, where's my
This way, bina.
God will punish you.
Madam.
God will punish you.
Amen.
And all your descendants.
No,
All my expensive things. Me that managing my life. Hey, where would I start from? Stupid thing.
Come Lagos, small girl with big dreams. Like the big things.
No vex. What is it today for their beg? So that's if you follow go hotel.
I don't think God say I no land face I say.
That J Gongo is supposed to really land. Why they look me? No be so. I don't tell you. Build these men. Build them. You don't go here. See what you can put yourself inside now. You're supposed to enter that jail, gong, for this way the thief come off your hand.
I know the reason why be say so many useless men for this Lagos. Babe, let me go the package. Man too go the package.
Don't be so. They get correct guys, but they like girls when they like them. Why they tell you collect your payment up front?
But that one a shower level now.
Who no be a shower? Get where they collect money from my friend. No be a shower be that. Where they disguise.
I really think about all those things with Gerati for my hands. If I know still I my money take cost, I would not stay everything chucking the body for my pockets.
Eseosa, you say one thief.
No, I don't want thief for.
You talk say you want sell madam clothes. Eseosa, shine your eye na Lagos you dey. No talk am again.
You won't blow, I won't blow. Everybody won't blow. Now you make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos.
I don't tell you, go find another person. See, your mumu, you don't dey cost me plenty clients. I need clients more.
Oga Magnus, no vex. Oga Magnus, na devil do this one. I know say na devil. Oga Magnus, I beg. But no allow devil win.
Oh, okay, rárá. You are disturbing me. See me kale.
Magnus, if you look me for head to my toe, she grind no on me. She grind. Now I still don't help me since. They still don't even know me for anyway. You don't help me. Oga Magnus, I beg. I don't do it again. I beg.
Whoa, see, if you fumble for this one, just know say I don't wash my hand come off for all your matter. Pata head to toe. You not consign me again, yo.
Thank you. I know fumble. Thank you, sir.
You see they go now. You give me small time. I go find, I go think and where I go help you find what I go do.
God bless you. Number one agent.
You won't blow, I won't blow. Everybody won't blow. Now you make Eseosa live.
So what's the plan now?
I'll shine my eye.
I will tell you make you shine since. Make I advise you. If man like you like this, beat them straight. No pity anybody. Just they build them, they go for liking. big babe. You already know what you want. And now your type they like.
No problem. You say I be Akanchawa Baddie. You know now is I will build them from now. Wow.
Where did Agent Magnus say is taking you to?
Maybe as in a job, maybe like the other one we carry me go last time.
Yeah, this time you guys did the Oga now for extra cash.
Oga?
Oga. Suppose say you still deal with that your former madam. By now your levels for don't change. You go come be the really Akanchawa Baddie. Your level for don't change if your boyfriend for don't upgrade you. So now, it's either you did the Oga where they live for the house, or the Oga where they visit the house.
You want blow, I want blow, everybody want blow. Now you make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. We like the big things.
I am your boss. You don't look me in the eye.
You no get respect. You looking for the ground. Yeah.
I am only accepting her because I'm handicapped. And, you know, my other agent couldn't get me someone.
Madam, thank you. Just won't go like that lie. See, Ogungbo, you no go regret this one.
If you say so.
Madam, I know so.
Stand up. Can I? Ha.
Madam.
If only we can reduce this hip a bit.
Madam, this one, the thing is not possible. Madam, you got put on there.
You can sit. Anyways, Mojeri will come, you know. Go share our
Thank you, madam. Madam, my commission.
Mr. Magnus, don't worry about that. Let's see how our work ethic is for this week. Then you get your commission later.
Thank you, madam.
So, Mr. Magnus, Elimalonti.
Okay, madam.
What's her name again?
Eseosa.
Work has started for you.
No phone man do. No go phone boo.
This way.
You want blow, I want
all right,
blow.
take care.
Everybody want blow. Now you make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. We like the big things. Eseosa no agree for anybody. Make you dey chasing money. When you make a move,
This is Chris woman. He dey form an American accent with he crack voice.
No mind them. She not 30K be your salary. The manager, you get bigger goals ahead.
I hear they wait for the Oga of the house to come. Maybe you go y'all give me something. We go big past that one.
If you need any help, make sure you call me, eh?
Yes. Thank you for everything you do for me. If I don't get you for this Lagos, I don't know what I for do. I really appreciate. I'll pay you back.
That won't be a problem now. As far as you feel set up yourself for this Lagos, I go dey happy.
Eseosa!
Esther, that useless one.
Eseosa!
Call you back. You know she dey crazy.
Ma!
Call you back.
Ma! Eseosa! Ma! How long will it take for you to answer my call?
Sorry, ma.
I'm sure you're by your mirror, drooling over your figure, right?
Ma?
You heard me right. Anyways, go to the backyard, go and sweep everywhere, make sure it is clean, and then you come and go to the market for me.
Okay, ma. What about driver, ma?
Igbeke feeling funky. What driver?
Driver, we go carry me go market.
Should have said I should come and take you to the market by myself. Anyways, I'll give you transport money. Make sure you take a cab or a bus or a bike or whatever. And when are you tidying all this place up?
Sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. Ole alakpama shishe.
Which kind of wicked woman be this one? If na Madam Lela has not to go provide me car, driver, AC, your own nothing. Now you no get money, now you dey run mouth up and down. Just swell up face. Which kind of work be this? Eh? House girl and slave work, not be the same thing. That my wicked madam. I'll meet you for front. When your husband come, we'll know who the real madam be. Ah. Send me message.
Hi, Angel.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My name is Austin. What's your name?
Eseosa. My friend's called me Akanchawa Baddie.
Oh, nice to meet you. You're struggling with so much. Let me help you.
Yeah. Nah. Hand hot.
Of course.
Thank you.
Do you live around here?
Yeah, next straight. Like my sister is just give birth, so I came to stay around. Like,
oh, for real?
Yeah.
How come I've not met you? I live just like the next street.
I just moved here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We should hang out sometime. Maybe tonight. Okay. Maybe the bar or somewhere close.
Yeah, we hang out.
All right. All right. Let me help you to your place.
Okay. This man on short step, you don't even get fine clothes. They do like rats. Now, man, I like us now, see fine clothes. Wow, you stay go this thing. Ah, you don't even get, I don't get anything. Ah, I feel like this Austin get money. I think I belong. Once beat by share your hair. But I want like good care.
Eseosa! Eseosa!
Ma! He? See Temo. This one don't sleep. I be one me walk around the clock. I be Akanchawa Baddie know they do that kind of work. Me she just know.
Eseosa!
Ma!
Going somewhere?
No, ma. I don't go anywhere, ma.
So, why are you looking all dressed up? You even have a makeup on.
No, ma. I want sleep, ma. To ready for bed.
You want sleep? Is that why you're all dressed up? You even have a makeup on?
No, ma. Not because for my dream, when I sleep, I see my late papa. So one prophet tell me, say, if I wear makeup, sleep, you know if you recognize me.
Hmm?
Yes, ma.
No problem. You can go and have your sip.
Good night, ma.
Good night to you too. Egbami. That's very creepy.
Apologies, I brought my car, but you know I'm a fitness junkie. I like to walk.
It's fine. I like breeze. The breeze is good.
I like Eseosa.
I like you, Austin.
I had an amazing time tonight. You can really dance.
Me too.
I would have invited you over, but you know, I have people over. Can I see you tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow then?
Yeah.
All right.
Take you to my man. Hey, my man. Take you to my man. Hey, mama. Take you to my man.
Well done. So I'm off to see a friend now. and I won't be back till about 8 p.m. tonight.
Okay.
So don't make me lunch.
Okay, ma.
All right. Well done. Take care.
Yes, ma. Bye-bye, ma. Hey, boo.
I've missed you, Eseosa.
I missed you too.
Your sister's place is it's really nice.
Just there.
Can you take one little?
I won't blow. Everybody won't blow. Now you make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. Eseosa no grief for anybody. Make you dey chasing money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big get. Akanchawa Baddie. No tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big get. Akanchawa Baddie. You have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet. Nobody like it off my head. Chasing the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. You have to blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet. Nobody like it off my head. Nobody wants suffer. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. And if you want make level change, wahala must dey. Some people around you go tell you get away because some dey jealous, but no lose focus. It's also no grief for
What? What are you doing with my wife? Your wife?
Oga, I beg, I dey innocent. I beg.
Who are you and what are you doing on my matrimonial bed?
My name na Akanchawa Baddie, and I dey work for here.